too much. I can't.
Stressed out due to many deadlines and exam coming up? Don't know where to start? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Study Tech Hub. I'm going to share the top 5 AI tools every student should use in 2026. First tool we have is ChatGPT. And honestly, this is like having a personal tutor with you 24/7, whether you're stuck on difficult concepts or you need help writing an assignment. The second tool is Grammarly. If you struggle with writing, Grammarly is a lifesaver for you to correct your mistakes. This tool helps you get your tasks in order, and it does it quickly. You can see everything you need to do. Now, let's talk about Notion AI. If you're someone whose notes are always messy and schedule is all over the place, then this tool is honestly a lifesaver. Next, we have Quillbot. This tool is perfect for rewriting your content in a better and more professional way. Sometimes we know what we want to say, but we just don't have the right words. That's what Quillbot helps. And finally, Canva AI. This is one of my personal favorites. Whether you need to make a presentation, assignment cover, or even a YouTube thumbnail, Canva makes everything look professional. So these were the top 5 AI tools every student should try. You don't need to use all of them at once, but even if you start with just 2 or 3, your unique perspective is your greatest strength. Embrace it and let it guide you toward success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments which AI tool are you going to try first.